Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the most important yet overlooked skills for any designer out there, organizing your design files in Figma. Trust me, by the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have a much tidier Figma workspace, but you'll also be able to find exactly what you need in seconds. That means less clicking around and more time actually designing. Let's dive right in. First things first, it's important to realize that there isn't just one right way to organize your design files. People have their own systems, preferences, and project needs. Some folks love separating every little piece, while others like their files all in one big place. What matters is that you set up a structure that works for you and your team. Now, when you first hop into the Figma dashboard, you'll notice the concept of teams. Teams in Figma are kind of like the big buckets where you keep all your design files related to a certain group or purpose. For example, you could have a team for client projects, another for company assets like logos, and maybe one more for personal experiments. Teams are a great way to keep things separated, so you know exactly where to look when you need to grab that logo or update an asset. And if your workspace is anything like mine, having these teams clearly labeled, maybe even branded with some color or logo, helps you spot them at a glance. To create a new project, just go to the top right of your dashboard and click Project. Even if you're on the free version of Figma, like most of us, you can still use projects as a way to group your work, sort of like folders. Maybe you're working on a batch of YouTube thumbnails. Instead of having those scattered everywhere, you can set up a specific project just for thumbnails. Trust me, if you do lots of recurring design work like updating social icons or making slides for presentations, grouping each type of project makes later edits a breeze. Let's say you made a demo tutorials project, and inside it you keep all your video walkthrough files. Next to that, maybe you have a logos project, holding everything from early sketches to the final polished versions. Having these clear homes for your design work means you cut down massively on searching time. Plus, if you're working with a team, everyone knows exactly where to look. No more frantic Slack messages asking, "Hey, where that latest icon file?" You might be wondering if there is a single, perfect system for this. There isn't really. Figma gives you the flexibility to organize things your way. Want a single project for all your icons? Do it. Prefer to split icons, logos, and social posts into separate folders? That works too. The point is to develop a rhythm and logic that feels right for your workflow. It's almost like arranging furniture in your house. You want to set things up so you can walk in, relax, and get to work. So remember, there are endless paths to organizing your designs, but taking the time to set up teams and projects in Figma will absolutely help you work faster and smarter in the long run. Give it a try for yourself, maybe start small and expand as you go. That's it for today's tutorial. If you learned something helpful, please give this video a like, drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share how you organize your files, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.